Right, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can turn off safe mode on any Android device. So it's very simple. First off, we want to know what's Android safe mode. So Android safe mode is a feature that you can use to pinpoint and solve device issues. So if you have it turned on and you want to turn it off, there's a simple step to it. First off, you gotta press and hold the power button, and then tap and hold power button to uh, power off on your screen. And then when you see the message reboot to safe mode, you gotta press OK. So that's how you can turn it on. But we're here to turn it off on your any Android or phone tablet. First up, you gotta restart your device, obviously. So you just need to press and hold the power button. It's pretty much for any Android device up for about 30 seconds. And then some models like Samsung phone, you may need to hold down the volume button. It just depends on your phone. After that, you need to wait until your screen turns on and release the buttons. After that, it's good to go. You'll see the option of turn off uh, safe mode. If you don't see it, it's directly turned off. And for the Android tablet, it's the same process like this. You just need to press and hold the power button and volume down button, and then wait for the screen to go black, and then turn on the tablet. And then if this method doesn't work, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 minutes, and then the screen will go dark and you turn your tablet back on. So yeah, so some phones you do have the notification panel option. So depending on your Android device, you may be able to turn off the safe mode by using notification panel. You could just gotta scroll down on your phone and you'll see the option of notification panel. If your device supports this feature, you'll see a notification that safe mode is activated. Tap on the notification and select turn off. So this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.